Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making okra stew. So to learn how I did this, please stick with me all the way. Alright, these are the ingredients I will be using for this stew. They are all fresh, gotten from some from my garden and some from the market. So I'll be using this quantity of meat, just seasoned properly and cook to softness. I already have a video on how to properly season your meat, and if you've been following me, I'm sure by now you should be familiar with it. So first I want to bring the water to boil. Some persons don't wait until the water get boiled, but I just do it this way this time around. So this is my smoothly blended okra, and also another chunky slices of it, so that when I'm eating I want to be having a bite of the okra, but this is totally optional. Okay, so you can choose to just give everything smooth slice or chunky slice. So after letting it boil for some minutes, I have to add this bell pepper and a half sliced remaining of onions. So I use one. Then crayfish, salt to taste, just season to your taste. You can add more pepper if you want, and just start with adding little salt. It's better you adjust the salt later. Okay, so don't just add too much. So after cooking it for another 5 minutes that everything is completely dissolved, I want to now start prepping the stew. I'm using 1 cup of oil, then the remaining half slice of the onions. I'll kind of still season the oil to my taste, give it a little fry. If you don't want much oil, you can reduce this, but I'm mostly conscious of my cholesterol intake. Then this is my tomato mix, fresh tomato mix. Pepper, it has
it's tomato paste.
Okay. So give it a quick fry, let it fry for like 5 minutes. Here, after 5 minutes, is now to introduce the meat you have cooked. Do I still want to spice it up a little? The meat and the stock are going in at the same time. Then I still added some goat meat to it. So like I said, depending on the protein you want to get from it, like this is about 4 servings. So portioning the soup up to 4 servings, it will still kind of give you a good amount of protein and cholesterol that you may need. So once you add the okra, add your vegetable, stir. Once the vegetable is properly incorporated, your soup is ready. It's so simple, guys. So give it a trial and let me know in the comment section how you make your own okra stew. This part is just optional. You just add the onion just to add a little more flavor, and that is all, guys.